Okay, y'all, I've just done 3 hauls in a row. And the last one was this wonderful organizer set that I bought. These 2 separate organizers from Clover Sack. Y'all, you got to get one. I'll link the video below if you want to see that. But I got a couple other kind of miscellaneous things that I wanted to show you. And the first one is a silk pillowcase. Now, some of you may say, Beth, really? One of the things that helps your hair not break at night is for it to just slide around on the pillow. It doesn't wake up as mussed up as usual, as normal. You know, where you just, hair is a total wreck when you wake up. And unless you're going to wash your hair that day, it's like, could I fix this somehow instead of, you know, having to start all over again, especially with me because, you know, I have to do the color, you know, in the part and all that kind of stuff. So just being able to wake up and go a couple mornings in a row is nice, even though you can refresh your body. You don't always want to refresh your hair. Matter of fact, you shouldn't wash your hair every day. You can take a bath, put your hair up, or put a shower cap on, but don't wash your hair every single day. It's not good to dry it out like that much. But to be able to sleep, this is Blissy. I am not sponsored. I'm showing this to you. This is a very high quality silk. It's 100% pure Mulberry silk. And it comes in this little box, which has this nice little drawer pull out, as you can see. And when you open it, yes, I had it in the wrong direction. It's a very nice presentation. And things like that matter to me because if they care that much about the presentation, then it tells me something about their quality, period. So, nice unboxing experience. And there is this beautiful Blissy. I'm going to try to do it at angle so you can see the embroidered. It's embroidered with the word Blissy. The fact that it's not imprinted, it is embroidered, is again another sign of quality. Now again, it keeps your hair from looking so awful, all foofed up, from breaking while you're sleeping, and also it probably, you know, I don't know that you could say it keeps you from wrinkling, but I do think it makes a difference on you being on a harsh material versus something that's silky, again, where your skin just slides over. Oh, there it is, right there. Look. The pillowcase has the embroidered name again. Very, very nice. It's a zippered pillowcase, which is nice. It's just, you know, it's encompassing. It, let's see what the washing instructions are. Warning this. Here's the warning on this. Warning, this product is too awesome. That's cute. Blissy, finest grade. This is 100% pure, highest grade, which is 6A, long fiber Mulberry silk. It is hand wash only, or you can dry clean, but no tetralyothane. Low iron heat, steam, or dry. Do not bleach. Do not tumble dry. Machine wash delicate. I would say cold. Delicate wash bag. Put it in a wash bag. And a pH neutral detergent. Because it's real silk, y'all, you can't tumble dry this. You have to line dry this. Or flat to dry. Or steam dry it, or low heat dry it with the iron. It is tested for harmful substances, and it tells you where you can go to see those tests. And this style number is 22MOMME, M-O-M-M-E. This is not cheap because it is a real silk pillowcase. Not satin, it's real silk. And so, what do we know about silk? Silk is not inexpensive. This is $68, I believe. What you think, for one pillowcase? Are you joking me? I think I got a discount on it, actually, for first time. But, yeah, for pillowcase. This is for your skin. It helps your skin not wrinkle so bad because your skin doesn't stick so bad to it. The point is it's so silky, everything slides. Your hair slides. Your skin slides. I would also say do not go to bed with makeup on. Wash your face really good. So this helps you remember, I've got to take good care of my skin. Meaning you've got to wash your face. First, do your makeup remover, my Neutrogena makeup remover. And then even after that, that just loosens everything, gets it ready to be cleansed. Then you still need to cleanse it real good and blot dry. And then you can put your face on this. So I'm very excited about it. I've never had this pure a silk pillowcase. I've had satin pillowcases. I've not had a silk pillowcase, and I'm thinking it's going to be very different. I do not believe that anything is exactly what it claims to, keep you from ever aging. And of course, I don't think Blissy is saying you'll never age. But I do think that, let's see what it says in here, what it came with. Welcome to the Blissy family. Your new bedtime best friend is guaranteed to take care of you for many nights to come. You will want to experience beautiful hair, glowing skin, and the best night's sleep that you've ever had. You're going to take care of your Blissy so your Blissy can take care of you. The beauty sleep you've been waiting for is here. Welcome to Blissy. And then it has a little card. That's with a little card. And of course, again, look at the detail even on the bottom side of the box. Very nice detail. To make sure she can give you, she's a person, she can give you the best results possible. Please follow the easy care instructions. Try to hand wash and hang dry. Yeah, I was going to say that's the best way. However, your Blissy is also machine washable, just delicate and cool, not warm. Wash in cold water, not cool water, and pH neutral detergent, meaning the most delicate cycle and not a harsh detergent, like you would for any delicates, like your bra, your panties, that kind of stuff. Use a mesh laundry bag if you have one, or turn the pillowcase inside out. Our Blissy mesh laundry bag works best, so you can order that. Your Blissy loves to be air dried, but you can dry it on the lowest temperature setting and be sure not to over dry, and do not tumble dry. So when they're saying lowest temperature setting, I believe that you can do that whatever your lowest is on your dryer. Look, and make sure it's not tumble dry. It's a part of it. If you do wish to iron your Blissy, set it on the lowest possible temperature setting and use steam to help the iron glide over the silk. Ooh, I'd be so careful of that. Do not use bleach, harsh detergents, stain removers, fabric softener. There's fabric softener when you wash with this, or dryer sheets. Why? Because all those things leave behind film. Did you know that? It's better if you can to get those dryer balls that keep you from having static electricity, and don't use dryer sheets or fabric softener, because the way they work is they put a film of stuff on your clothing so they don't stick to each other, but it's kind of sticky if you've never noticed that. How do you think the fragrance stays in? The longer you take care of it, the longer it will last. So the bottom line is this is also forcing you to get better care of your skin, take better care of your clothing, maybe have more natural detergents, maybe more natural facial cleansers. To make sure that you take care of this, you have to take care of this and this. So I don't think that's a bad thing. So I'm going to try it. Again, this is the first time I've ever had one like this nice. And I almost sent it back because I thought that's just too much money. I thought, no, it's not. You need to go ahead and take care of your face and skin when you're sleeping. And also, it will breathe better and it will help you to sleep better. And I will let you guys know if it's all hype or not. Because y'all don't know, I am not going to tell you, go get this. I'm not going to even suggest you should go get this until I've tried it out. And if I say, y'all, it's a little bit expensive, but save up and get yourself one, because this has made it where I can sleep better at night. I'm taking better care of myself. My hairs fit and skin feel better. That kind of a thing. If it's that good, I will let you know. Another product that I'm trying out is Beekman 1802, and this is a Milkstick. It's invisible deodorant, and it's aluminum and baking soda free. And I thought, I gotta try this because I don't want to use aluminum underarm deodorant or antiperspirant. So the aluminum is what makes things antiperspirant, meaning you will not perspire, which really you should perspire. I don't know that it's a good healthy thing for you to not have perspiration come out, but you don't want it to smell. And even if you bathe every single day and scrub really good on your arms as you sweat, especially depending on what you eat. I had a friend tell me once, if you eat a lot of meat, you're going to smell, but because she was vegan. But anyway, it's called Milkstick, and it does say allow product to dry before putting on clothing. And it says reapply daily as needed. So that's not a good sign. That would imply that once you sweat, you need more of this. But I have worn it, I have bought 2 boxes, so this is an unopened box. But I have the other one. I've used it for 2 days. I'm not noticing a smell, and I'm not noticing that I don't sweat, but I haven't needed to reapply it. So I'm feeling good about this. The main reason I'm feeling good about this is what it's free of. Baking soda, aluminum, artificial fragrances, sulfates, parabens, mineral oil, alcohol, phthalates, formaldehyde, and talc, because yuck. And it says Leaping Bunny, y'all have seen that before, certified cruelty-free and safe for sensitive skin. Again, this is made by Beekman, Beekman, 1802, and it's made in the United States in New York City. So, okay, it says if this is your first time using a deodorant, you should wait 30 days to adjust for your body to adjust to the formula. So, and it does say allow it to dry before you put clothing on. So when you're getting ready, right after you get out of the shower, your towel dry on your hair, before you brush your teeth and do all that kind of stuff, go ahead and put your deodorant on. Let it be drying while you're getting ready. It says it supports natural function of skin by combating odor throughout the day without clogging your pores. Non-greasy, non-sticky, our formula applies with ease. The natural botanical extracts combat the odor throughout the day. Our powdered goat milk base soothes and helps keep skin dry. So it does help keep skin. It's not an antiperspirant, but it does help keep you dry. And it is goat milk based, so it's very natural on the skin. So again, it also does not have any synthetic colorants. So far, again, I'll let you know, it's been great, and I have really enjoyed both these products so far, or this one, and I'll let you know how they do later, okay? I love you. I'll talk to you again soon. Bye!